What's up, guys? We're looking for a possible short here. We've had a rejection run support here for our resistance. This is what the 1 hour is looking like. Let's see what the 4 hour is looking like here. I mean, we have the long bias. Like this was the open after market from yesterday. We have the long bias. We have weird pricing going on right here. Perhaps we're in a consolidation phase, but point of interest right here, this price, we're getting rejections. We had this rejection right here, 558 wham. But we are seeing a push down, so and the view up is around 184, which is like right here. Yeah. It's a tough spot to enter in. I personally would want to wait until what the 30, 15, and 30-minute candles look like, honestly. I don't even know if we want to go in on this at all. Hold on, rejection. No. Oh, excuse me. Let's put this on. This 1 hour is looking sus. Oh, this would have been a solid entry, actually. That's so wild. This price action is what occurred here. We might not even trade today. Excuse me, my goodness. EQ is kind of looking like a sell, no? Yeah. Kinda. Yeah, ES has a pretty solid respecting this price range here. I really think. He rejected. So what we would look here for a short, quite honestly, is a oh yeah, oh my, oh boy. Well, it's like an 80-point move right there. It was like a 90-point move. Just filling up all those orders. It's such a tough spot to go into too. So this is the five. We're looking at the 5-minute support right here. It's around the VWAP. And 70. I'm just curious if it's going to reject there or if it's going to just push again, right? Or if it's just going to keep bouncing. There's just a bunch of buyers around that section or around that area of 200s. Because if it rejects here and pushes up, then we'll have like a double or a triple bottom, right? It's even the one that, oh my gosh, it's ugly. It's very, very ugly. And it might be like a liquidity sweep here to go higher. It's a possibility if it breaks into 400s, like right here. If it breaks above here, it might just skyrocket. And then we would be looking at a 41,000 price range of where we can reach to. It's really ugly candles though. It's hard to work with candles like this. So an entry long, we would look for this whole order, all these orders to be filled like right above right here. And then we would take a long, I would say. Because this right here, we have our resistance, previous resistance. This is a resistance right here, and then, right? Let's double check. So 45 is the, yeah, that's around what we're looking at, 4,500. It might even take an hour just to cover that. Really, I think you've shown promise for a while. Interesting. So Genki's already moving that direction. Yes, same thing. A lot of trust. We did that. Just turn it on, just so we can see what it looks like. Oh, okay. Interesting. Okay. It's an ugly spot to go in on. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. We're just getting. We're just gonna add an alert. It's a higher low. I mean, if we do go short, this would be the stop loss right here. 350, right? Or a little higher, like right here. It's a wide range. I don't know if I want to have a 100-point stop loss. Excuse me. Because if anything, we can look for a retest around this price range. And if it rejects it, then we go short. That's the plan. And then it also, if it tests here, then and it pushes through, then we can potentially go for a short. I think if we don't see anything here, so the similar market conditions. Okay. There's no more news today, anyways, as well. So, it's a Wednesday. Excuse me. We've just caught onto the consolidation phase. We had a huge jump when the market opened, because the market closed at 39,362. 39,362, and then we had like a 1%, 1.3% change in price on the up. For the day, we're up like 2.3, up to 2.5%. Wow. We're doing a closure. I am really curious if it just pushes down here. Or if it bounces, tests 390, and then it pushes back down, right? Yeah, we need a coverage on 30 minutes. Maybe. What's that 5 minute looking like though? Let's see. Goes down, rejects here. Okay, we're at support. Let's see. Really is rejecting that. I think. Let's see. Yeah.
Stop field.
Okay. Yeah, we're just gonna take it, I think. Is it a regrettable entry? Seems that way. Just rejected the VWAP. Yeah, it's such a. See what the 1 minute's looking like here. 48. Okay, we're just gonna go break even. Yeah.
Order filled.
Let's go. Oh my god, that was scary. Jesus. That block order. Dang. Yeah. Okay. 150 point trade. Holy cow. We'll take it, but I don't know. I don't know. That was such an interesting spot to be in, honestly, especially at. Okay, we're done with trading, because we can't trade. For one, 1,500 is the profit we can make at the most on take profit trader prop firm. Um, we are really close to passing this account. I will probably under leverage instead of two contracts, drop it down to one contract for $5 a point, and just play it a little bit slower. We're on day 4. We need 5 days to trade in order to pass the account. So hopefully tomorrow, I'm not gonna force a trade or anything of that extent. We're just gonna make sure we have our confluence and we have confirmation of the trade of what we're looking for. The price action was a little bit scary. We were in a downtrend. We had our rejections here. We had our consolidation right here. This candle right here was a confirmation that that's the momentum of what we're looking for going down. It didn't fully cover around the 190 range. However, it did fill all these orders, setting up for a block order around the support at the VWAP. So overall, I'm happy I didn't get clapped by the market. We got our profit for the day. So um, yeah, that's 150 points for a win, which is solid. And yeah, we'll take it. And hopefully, whoever um, watches this video just takes a note of what we're looking for as far as our trades go, just sticking to our rules. Most of the time, where I lose is I don't stick to my rules, and it's you just gotta write down your trades, review the previous mistakes that you've made, and make sure you don't make those mistakes. And something that I've been going through recently, I've had like emotional days, and those are the days that you should just step away from the charts when you're vulnerable within yourself and you're not in the right space mentally. Those are the days where you should just not trade, because what can happen even worse, right, is like humans, as we're emotional, we're having a hard day or whatever it may be, and we trade and we lose, it just amplifies that intensity of emotion. Even if we talk about like you have your emotion should stay the same whether it's a win or a loss. I get it, I do, but the amount of work we need to do to get to that point, and like the liquidity that we need, the funds that we need to feel that safety net. Yeah. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Um, Solid trade today, and everyone stay safe in the markets. Have a wonderful. What's today? Today's Wednesday. I don't even know what day it is. Have a wonderful Wednesday and the rest of the week and weekend. Peace.